3,
Oh.
2, 1.
Cereal dance, cereal dance, cereal dance, cereal dance. Okay, milky milkshake. Milky milkshake, milky milkshake, milky milkshake.
It's everybody's favourite brews. What's your favourite brew?
Brew?
Like, what's your favourite hot drink, actually?
What's your favourite drug?
Oh,
Cocaine!
Well, when I was little, I used to have. But when we used to make like strawberry milkshake, we used to warm it up.
Oh.
Like, so we used to call it warm, cold strawberry milkshake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that still your favourite hot drink?
And tea. I like tea.
I hate tea.
I like tea.
Put the camera.
And hot chocolate.
What's your favourite drug? Cocaine!
I knew she'd say that.
Right.
So I'm gonna stay still, you little coke addict. Right. My favourite hot drink would have to be hot chocolate, as I can't stand proper brews. Stop, Sana. Like this. This is coffee, and it's for my mum, and it's not mine. Ugh. Oh, I can't stand coffee. It's disgusting.
I like it.
So, what's your favourite type of hot drink?
What's your favourite hot drink?
Hot chocolate.
What's your second favourite?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Can you do the milky milkshake dance?
Show us the milky milkshake dance. Come on.
Alright, record me and my little sister doing that.
Right, ready?
No.
Just do it, Connor. It goes like that. Then like that. Do like that. Just do it, please.
So I'm gonna do it.
Take it up a camera roll.
Quick!
Got it.
Milky milkshake.
Milky milkshake.
Milky milkshake. Cereal dance, ready?
Cereal dance. Cereal dance.
Then walk into a fridge.
Favourite cereal?
What's your favourite cereal?
Cheeseburger.
Chocolate sugar.
Chocolate shredders. Okay.
Sugar.
Thumbs up for Savio.
Savio.